Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. Very muggy conditions around here, and that means overnight low temperatures will be pretty warm. We'll start out tomorrow with numbers in the middle to upper 70s. It's going to be pretty muggy out there. Dew points have been climbing. And with that, and the temperatures into the 90s, there's a heat advisory in effect here Saturday, Sunday, and again on Monday with the heat index of 100 to maybe as high as 110. It's also going to be a bit on the windy side here as we head through the overnight, about a 15 to 25 mile an hour wind out of the southwest here during the day tomorrow. Some of the gusts will be up around 35 miles per hour. It'll be the same situation as we get into the day on Sunday. Look at the dew points climbing this evening into the 70s, and we'll stay into the 70s here tomorrow through early part of next week. That means there's a lot of moisture in the air. It's hard for your body to cool things down, cool it down by sweating. And in addition to that, any thunderstorms that occur here through next week could bring some locally heavy rain, similar to what we had last night. Now, as for the moisture in the atmosphere, well, just like you can't cool off, well, the atmosphere can't cool off. So overnight lows will be in the 70s, and this could be record warm low temperatures. Now, it's a weird thing to think about, but it's record low warm temperatures. It gets a little bit better, but that's still pretty muggy in the upper 60s for morning lows. Afternoon heat indices will be up over 100. Again, could be the worst coming up on Saturday, but just a couple degrees cooler on Sunday. Still dangerous heat and humidity combination. Tuesday and Wednesday will be a bit more bearable, but look at the temperatures for the day tomorrow. 90s, up over 100. That's air temperature in the forecast, and then the heat index gets even higher. As for the temperatures, air temperatures will be in the 90s around here through Monday, and we'll cool down into the 80s here for the rest of the week because we'll have several rounds of rain and thunderstorms. 70s for overnight lows tonight. Clear, windy, and humid. Near record warmth expected. We'll be short of any records here for tomorrow, but it is going to be a hot one. High temperatures will be in the 90s, and the wind out of the southwest at 15 to 25 miles an hour. Some of those gusts could be up around 35 miles an hour. And another hot one, as mentioned here on Sunday with sunshine, chance of storms as we get into the day on Monday, but that'll be late in the day, so we'll be able to heat things up back into the 90s. And that heat index up over 100 or at least close to it. Thunderstorms in the forecast each and every day, looking pretty likely. Now the placement of these storms will have an impact on the rivers. We'll have to watch these over the next couple of days because several inches of rain a possibility with each round of storms. Where does the thunderstorm drop all the heavy rain? Northern Iowa, eastern Iowa, southern Iowa. We'll have to see how that all plays out. I'll take these one day at a time, but the overnight low temperatures remaining pretty muggy. Those numbers will be down into the 60s.